guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Tia Bella Beauty. Hey girl, you were the first to comment and I want to say thank you so much. So we're going in, I'm going to be using my almond short soft gel full nail covers. As you guys know, I do sell these on Etsy. I have an Etsy shop and they will be linked down below. All I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm sizing them to my nails. You want to make sure that your full nail covers fit wall to wall when sizing. So if you come between some that are too big or too small, you can always opt for the bigger one and just file them down with a emery board on the sides. But I'm just going in, sizing them. 600 come in a pack of my e-files, soft gel nail covers, and it is also 11 sizes. So I'm using alcohol as my slip solution, and I'm going to be using 2B Glam Polygel. But I am going in with some radiation LED/UV radiation protection gloves. You definitely want to make sure that you're using some type of protection if you do your hands often like me and you're constantly sticking your hands in those UV lamps, because they are damaging and they will cause your hands to age quicker, especially if you do your nails often like me. So I definitely recommend investing and purchasing a pair of these. I do sell these in my Amazon shop. I think I have sold out of the pink shade, the one I have on now, but I do have them in white, and I will probably be restocking the pink in November. So in 3 weeks, I'll restock the pink, but for now I do have white, which is just as cute. And yeah, all I'm doing now is going in with the polygel, patting it in and applying. It's just super easy. The only thing I want to mention is that you want to make sure when you're doing this, your cuticle area is flushed and that it's thinner than the rest of the nails. And that's pretty much it. You want to make sure that you're covering the polygel sidewall to sidewall. So just kind of move it around, make sure that it's fully covered, and just apply. It's literally that simple. As you can see here, I'm just flipping my nail over and making sure it's flat underneath on the bottom. And another tip that you can do to eliminate the time that your hand is in that lamp is do multiple nails at once. As you can see, I'm just putting on a few different soft gel full nail covers before I go in and cure those in my UV lamp. And this is going to eliminate the time and reduce the time that your hand is in that lamp. Like I said, it can be damaging, so you want to make sure that you're taking preventative measures. But it's super easy. I'm just going to be doing the same process, so I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So now I'm going to go in with a 80/80 grit nail file, and I'm just going to shape up my nails. Soft gel nail covers are the best because they really do all of the work for you. Honestly, all I'm doing is shaping up the sides where some excess polygel might have squeezed out and I didn't notice, but that's about it. I really love these soft gel full nail covers. They're the perfect almond shape, so if you have problems shaping, I would definitely recommend giving this method a try because it's going to be a lifesaver for you. So these nail files are awesome. I got them from Amazon, and I do have an Amazon storefront where I list all the products, all my favorite nail stuff, and that will be down below in the description box. But as you can see now, all I'm doing is going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm just rubbing my nails down before we begin doing our nail design. So I'm going in with some all white Beetles polish, and I'm using this nail palette that I purchased from Shein. I'm just going to apply some of that, and I'm also going to be using a Beetles brush to do my nail design. So I'm doing like a flower-ish design, like cute little flowers. They're not even flowers, more like a leaf, like a leafy design. This design is super easy. I'm just going to be going in and I'm going to be doing the white first, and then I'm also going to go in with a gold color. Same brand, Beetles, and I love Beetles nail polish. My favorite nail polish, gel polish, is Beetles and MAKARRT. I do have a discount for MAKARRT, and that's down below in the description. If you guys are in the market for gel polishes, you can purchase those directly from their website. But I do have the Beetles gel polish ones listed in my Amazon storefront. I'm pretty sure I have a discount code for Beetles too. I just have to find it. But I'm gonna try and find it so you guys can get like a discount and everything. But yeah, super easy. I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me do my design. So now I'm going in with my Model 1's top coat. I love this brush for this top coat. The brush is like amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and top off my nails. I'm going in now with my cuticle sticks. I also do sell these on my Etsy shop, and I'm using the rose one today. I absolutely love these cuticle sticks. They're like my favorite. I have them in my purse like Oh my gosh, I'm always hydrating my cuticles. It's honestly insane. But these are perfect for like on the go or whatever the case may be. I love these cuticle sticks. All you do is twist it up. It's so fun. But if you are interested, I do sell those on my Etsy shop in 4 different scents. I have strawberry, rose, lavender, and aloe. So here are the final results. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have a giveaway coming up soon. I love you guys, and I hope you had a wonderful week, and I will catch you on Monday. Bye.